Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Jeremy from Haasl Tools and I'm your YouTube Snap-on guy. We got our December marketing kit here. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. You guys see it as I open it. I have no idea what's in here. I talked to corporate this afternoon. It's Black Friday. And they're going to be getting me some digital images of our holiday flyer and of this flyer. They said possibly by tomorrow. So as soon as I get that, I'll put that up on Facebook and Instagram. Packing cardboard. Make more room under the tree. That's a pretty cool van sign. Check that out. No way. It's got an F on it. That means 3/8. Some of you guys were asking, are they going to make this in a 3/8 down in the comments? And FSLF80. Awesome. Set that in there. We got our dangler signs. These will follow along with the flyers. Our DVD, December 2018. I have no idea. Cordless power tool training cards. This must be like, it's kind of hard to see. I got these hanging up here, but we had these cards a while back that came in. Sure enough, last couple times been 2 packs, so looks like the same ones. We have the 18-volt 3/8, 18-volt 1/2 inch, the reciprocating saw, the angle grinder, the adhesive gun, the cordless glue gun, some slide-on batteries, 1/4 inch micro lithium ratchet, 3/8 drive impact, hex, the polish prep tool, the cordless reciprocating saw, and the battery. There we go. So I'll hang these up so my guys can go through them. I got 2 packs of them. Just show some information on there. Always awesome that they give us that extra information. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bundles of the receipt backers here. These will also coincide with the flyers. I'm kind of liking the back page already. So we're down to, all I have left is the flyers in here. 2 bundles. That's it. Nice. And this is actual Hot Tools. They got it dressed up pretty nice for the holidays here. We're North Central region again, so these are U.S. prices for the North Central region. Your area might have different deals going on than ours. But let's go ahead and take a look at the cover here. Matches up with the van sign. First page, the best gifts say Snap-on all over. Like I said, I will go ahead as soon as I get these digital images. I will get them on Instagram and Facebook so you can see it. Shows all the prices here. Looks like tool only, tool only, tool only, tool. All of these are priced out as just the tool. So if you wanted the kit, talk to your dealer. They can hook you up that way. But if you want to add on to your kit, they got some great deals going on that. Orange, high visibility. No, excuse me. Red, green, and high visibility. I'm not seeing the orange on there, but I'm sure we can get you orange. Holy man, is there a lot of new tools this time. We got some new lights, socket holders. We got 1/4-inch hex drive soft grip round swivel head. So not a ratchet like a 1/4-inch ratchet, but a 1/4-inch hex on there. And same thing with the hard handle as well. Different magnetic socket holders here. We got the non-grip version of that there. And sure enough, there it is. 3/8 dual drive. That's that fancy one there. I have not even seen this yet, so I must be out of the loop a little bit. And then 6-drawer heavy-duty stainless steel top shop cart with some different attachments on there. So that is inside on page 4. Page 5. Buy one, get. So this means buy one of these, get one of them. Yes, BOGO, buy one, get one free. So we have 12-piece 3/8 6-point metric flank drive sockets or the SAE flank drive sockets. Get the 3/8 dual 80 quick handle, quick release, long handle, quick release flex head ratchet. It's a $155 ratchet you get for free purchasing one of these. I actually have these ratchets. Let me grab one to give you an idea of the size of this. So this does have the long handle. It's the quick release there, 3/8 drive with the flex head on it. And they really lubed these things up when they came in. They were just packed full of grease on them. So nice ratchet included with your purchase of the deep sockets. Buy that, get that. Need the SAE version, buy that. However it works best for you, man. It's all good. Deck the halls with chrome. We got another buy one, get one free. This is our low profile 3/8 set right here. And so it would look like this. You get the real low profile ratchet with the sockets. Now hang on just a second. I have a used version. Somewhere. Perfect. 18 millimeter. See if I can line that up, if it'll focus in on there. 18 millimeter regular shallow socket. It's a FS 181 or FSM, 181. 18 millimeter socket. Low profile 18 millimeter socket and ratchet to give you an idea. You save quite a bit of room with them. So the deal is you buy these, and we got 8, 10, 12, so it skips the 9 and 11. 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 in there. Buy that. Get this for free. This is 1/4 to 3/4 in there. These are 12 points. So might be a little different than if you have a set like that. The set that I brought up, this is a 6-point set that we had. These ones are 12-point that are in the Flier. So you got 2 BOGOs coming out. I got mine already, so your dealer might have theirs. Might be ready to go. You guys have been asking about this for a while. We have the advanced digital multimeter. This that's the new one in there. Buy any tool, get a 4-pack of Snap-on magnetic koozies. Looks pretty cool. Got some burnouts going on. Some circuit testers, terminal tool set, test lead set. We got a breakout box, an amp hound, and another terminal set. So buy any of them tools, get a 4-pack while they last. When these things come in, they go out pretty fast. So if it's something you're interested in, let your dealer know right away so that they can save you a pair of them. I haven't got mine in yet. They're probably coming in probably next Friday. So my guys will let me know and say, hey, save me a set of them, and I will. And once I'm out, that's it. Pick up a heavy hitting deal. Pack more. Buy one, get one free. Buy the 16-piece punch and chisel set. Get the 40-ounce dead blow hammer free. Red, green, or orange. The 40-ounce or the big boy. What color do you want? Pick it out. Red, orange, or green. Oh, she's only a 32-ounce, but you get the idea of the colors. I always make a mess when I do these. So we got some bronze tip hammers in here, some plastic tip hammers, the combination dead blow, the 22-piece punch and chisel set, and the 3-piece bronze punch set, and that comes in a nice little bag as well. So you got your BOGO up top, and then they got some deals on the stuff on the bottom. So take a quick peek at that. And that was page 7. Let's go to the next page. So today I was working on putting together a Zeus workstation and did some recording on that. So working on a video, we're going to go over the Zeus workstation a little bit. I already did the Zeus, so if you want to look into that, you can. But we're going to look at the guided component test part of the Zeus that's also in our Modus and the Varus and stuff like that, and show you guys some really cool stuff tomorrow. So be on the lookout for that. Another buy one, get one. Don't let these essential roll by. So buy the tools. It's a Blue Point starter kit, and get the cart for free. Buy one, get one. So a lot of great stuff here. This kit's pretty nice because it has your deep and shallow 1/4 and 3/8 standard and metric sockets all in there, along with some Torx, and there's some hex stuff in there, bit drivers, extensions, ratchets. There's a lot of stuff just in that middle set, plus all the pliers and wrenches and stuff that you see there as well. So might even be a nice kit for at home, or if you have a camper, something to throw in the shed. And then you're going to get that cart there for free. Them only come in blue. It's going to match up with that. So if you want this, most dealers get one. Get on the horn. Let your dealer know you're interested in it. Buy it. Get one. Over here we got the 18-volt 3/8 Monster Lithium Impact. Green or high visibility. With the charger, it's a dual charger, so it'll do the 14.4 and the 18-volt on there. So buy that, get this extension set for free. And this is a snap ring extension set. I'm going to try to pull one down here off the ceiling. So the extensions have, just like your Impact does, it's got a little hog ring or retaining ring on the end there instead of the button. A little safer, keeps the socket on there a little better. Also down below, buy one, get one. 14-piece 3/8 drive, 6-point metrics. Buy them. Get the 12-piece 3/8 drive SAEs. So this is a 8 to 19 set, and then I believe it has 21 and 24 in it. And then you're going to get this one as well. A lot of people are surprised you get that number 24 in that 3/8 set, but it's common socket. Some more lights, just like we had in the holiday flyer. And it says, light up your holiday season. We got red, green, orange work lights. Buy 4 lights in one color, family. Normally $309 for $256. So you get the 4 lights. And there again, we'll probably only get one of each color. So if orange is your color, get it before the next guy does. And it's about that time. We got our heavy duty stuff on promo. Looks like that's the master kit. That is the heavy duty master kit. This master kit comes with all the software titles, a bunch of different adapters down below. Part number EEHD 708 004. See if I can get that up close. If you guys want to do some research on that as well. It isn't focusing. It's not focusing. Here comes a blizzard of profits. It's not just tilt back tire changer, it's your new business partner, it says. So upgrade your wheel service and contact your franchisee because they have deals on wheel service, deals on hoists, deals on alignment machines. Thinking about an alignment machine, need a tax write-off this year? We got deals on them, so let your franchisee know that you're looking for something like that, and they will get you in contact with the right person for the alignment machines and hoists, and we will take care of the wheel service stuff as well. The best gift boxes don't need to be wrapped. And this is what I seen first when I was like, this is so cool. Totally love the pink and black. I got some customers out there that buy stuff for their daughters, and some guys just like the pink. That's nothing wrong with that. So we got all kinds of different colors here. They're part numbers that correspond with them. And it says, get a quote on your custom tool storage system. Taking trades today. Power bank in there. It's got the speed drawer. So these are the KMP 1022s. KMP 1022s. The last digits are the color codes. So that, my friends, is our December 2018 Hot Tools flyer for the North Central region. I appreciate you spending some time with me tonight. It's getting late. You know I got to get the heck out of here. Keep the comments coming. Keep subscribing. We're getting there. I appreciate it. And on that note, you guys have a good night.
Smash, subscribe. Smash, subscribe. Smash, subscribe. Smash, subscribe. Smash, subscribe. What are we gonna do? Smash, subscribe.